Okay, friends, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to deal the last topic of second unit of marketing management, that is market positioning. Okay, so let us know that what does market positioning means. Positioning is the perception or the image that customers have of the company and its products. Based on the segment and target market strategic decision, a company can decide to position its products and services. Positioning is the strategy that enables a firm to competitively and strongly place its brand in the customer's mind such that it becomes the most preferred brand. Positioning involves implanting distinctive benefits of the brand in a differentiated manner in the customer's mind. So this is what the positioning, this is what the definition of positioning. If we talk about positioning, then positioning means what? That all those activities, all those strategies, all those motives on the basis of which we are going to generate a kind of perception in the mind of the customer so that the customer's loyalty would be gained. Okay, it means that what are those activities which is being done by the company, or what are those things which is being shown by the company or the brand towards their customer, so that the customers become loyal, so that in the mind of the customers the image of that company is totally built. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? पोजिशनिंग. मतलब किसी भी कस्टमर के दिमाग में अपने ब्रांड के बारे में, अपने कंपनी के नाम के बारे में, उस प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस के बारे में पूरे के पूरे तरीके से छा जाना, दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? पोजिशनिंग. उसी टर्म को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पोजिशनिंग. अब देखिए पोजिशनिंग, हाउ डज पोजिशनिंग इज बीइंग डन. पोजिशनिंग करने के लिए कंपनी करती क्या? तो सबसे पहला जो स्टेप्स है, व्हाट आर दोज स्टेप्स? देयर आर बेसिकली 4 स्टेप्स और 4 एक्टिविटीज विच आर बीइंग डन बाय द कंपनी टू जनरेट अ मार्केट पोजिशनिंग. ओके, द फर्स्ट इज प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन. देखिए सबसे पहला जो चीज है वो क्या होता है? प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन. अब नाउ लेट अस नो दैट प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन. प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन मीन्स व्हाट? वी हैव टू produce such types of products which are very much having the sound quality in the entire market. Our product do have a very sound quality, one of the best quality. Afterwards our product determination related to the size, related to the quality, related to the each and every aspect should be acceptable by the customer. That was the very first thing, that is known as what? Product differentiation. The next one is the price differentiation. In this price differentiation, what we have to do? We have to determine the products on the basis of the price. That different kinds of price strategies would be made while looking upon the different levels of customers, different economic levels of customers. Say for example, Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever produces toiletry items like shampoos. So they produce shampoos of the price level related to those who are below poverty line as well as lower middle class. They provide a kind of pouch, 1 rupees pouch or 2 rupees pouch, small sachets, pouches, which are being purchased by those two category of income level of people. After that they have to purchase, they just make the price related to the upper middle level as well as the upper level, so upper income level. So these are what? These are kind of price differentiation while looking upon the economic level of the company. So this is the next differentiation strategy, that is price differentiation strategy, on the basis of which we generate a kind of positioning. And one thing more, that today also around 70% of the customers in the entire market believe to run towards those products who are less in price. Okay, less in price. More today also the customers are price sensitive, that what they just move towards those kinds of products whose prices are less, around 70% of the customers. So the next important differentiation strategy which will generate the market positioning strategy is the price differentiation. The third very important is what? Promotional differentiation. In this promotional differentiation, what we have to do? We have to promote the products and services in such a way that it should be shown to the customers, it should be displayed to the customers in such a way that sound promotional activities would be provided by them, that are very good promotional activities are being provided by them. Okay, and the fourth one is the distribution differentiation. Here the distribution differentiation means what? That what are those strategies on the basis of which we are going to provide the distribution things, that how they are going to distribute the things, who are those from where they just generate the distribution of the products to the ultimate customers. So these four are what? These four are the activities, or we can say the strategies which are being made by the company personnel, on the basis of which they create a kind of positioning in the mind of the customers. Okay, so this is what market positioning. Okay, now you people should today we have completed the second unit. With this topic we have completed the second unit of marketing management. Okay, now I am giving you all of you an assignment, that this assignment is what? Related to the companies. Every one of you should have to select your own company, that you have to select your own imaginary company, any company which you likes, and you have to write down the marketing mix. Okay, you all have to write down the marketing mix of that particular company. Okay, marketing mix, as I have taught earlier in my lectures about the marketing mix. Marketing mix constitutes of four important P's. Those are product, price, place and promotion. These four P's constitute the marketing mix. So you people should have to make the assignments, and that the assignment would be of totally PowerPoint presentation part, and you have to send that assignment to my WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is what the assignment which is being made by you people. And one thing more, in the last two classes I have told you that whatever the lecture we are going to upload, you all have to show your attendance. Attendance is compulsory related to the lectures. As I will upload this lecture, you people should have to make your attendance on the basis of online. Okay, so when you see my lecture uploaded in the Marwari College website, okay, Marwari College website, and you have to show your attendance then and there only, while hanging your hands like this and writing down your class roll number in your WhatsApp in our MBA official group. Okay, thank you to all of you.